how to manage and really set up the space between lines. So in that way, your document and everything looks fine, and it's a very amazing thing. So for now, my spacing is correct, but pretend if my spacing was not correct, where I should do it and how I should do it. So you come at this icon, line spacing, and here it says 1.5 single, 1.5, 1.15 double, add a space before paragraph, remove space after paragraph, and custom spacing, and also the positioning. We have that available in here. So let's take a look at this too. And for example, let's go with single. So right now this looks single. And let's go with the 1.5. So this looks 1.5. It's completely different to each other. Okay, you can compare it right now. We can click in here, add space before paragraph. So there you go. It added before paragraph a spacing. So let's go back again. Remove space. So there you go. It removed it back. I can add it as well. So the default version, there is space after paragraph, as you can see right now, and there is no space before paragraph. Okay, that looks default and very good version. We have also custom spacing. You can decide on that, and you can also decide on paragraph spacing before and after. And let's go to, also you can have prevent single lines or keep lines together, keep with next text. Also you have indentation and also keep spacing at that. So you can see the changes as well in here. So let's do it. Let me just see what it can does. So there you go. It mixed settings like this, like that. So you should be very, very careful with that. Okay, so that's line spacing.